with me sitting in it to just give, all the fluids time to start circulating through the engine. And then I noticed it was fluctuating up and down. So it had dropped to about I'm trying to remember now, about 265 when I actually put it in drive to leave the driveway. So it went from 270 to 265, and now it's at 261. So I've got about a 10-minute drive ahead of me, so I'm going to see where it's at when we get there. I will say that I noticed I took my car to get new tires put on. It was the end of December. I believe it was the end of December, 1st of January, somewhere in that 2-week period. And when I got in the car to leave, now all they did was put new tires on. That was it. That was all I asked for. Of course, they always try to upsell you other things. Oh, you need this, that, and the other, but I wasn't having that. So I noticed when I got in the car to leave, when I would accelerate, the car kind of makes this growling noise, almost like the cars with the special mufflers make, so that it's a little louder, and then it smooths out. It only does that if I accelerate more than normal. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it in this video or not. So I was like, okay, my car has over 100,000 miles on it. It's never had a tune-up, so I took it and had a tune-up, had new spark plugs and wires put on, had them change the air filter, that kind of thing. Oh, I did not need an oil change, so I'm still not due for an oil change yet, so I didn't have any of that done. And I thought, well, car's being a little loud, maybe it's because it's time for a tune-up. But that didn't affect it. Now, the mechanic that did the tune-up was a different car service center that I took it to, which was more of a local mechanic who is AES certified, all that kind of stuff. And they said, car was in good shape. They didn't see any other things that needed addressing while they were taking care of it. So I'm just curious, did the tire place accidentally do something, not intentionally? Was it a coincidence in timing that something else is going on? There's the noise. And it sounds like it's coming from the front. But anyway, so I don't know if something happened during the whole new tire thing, or if it's just coincidental timing because the car is 11 years old. But I've always maintained my vehicles, keep records on my vehicles. The last car I had before this one was a 2002 Hyundai Sonata, and it was 20 years old and had less than 180,000 miles on it when I sold it, and I had all the records on it, and it was still running. It was just getting unreliable. It was going to need some major work. It had some electrical issues. But anyway, that's not relevant to now. It's just, I say that to say that I do believe in proper maintenance, taking care of my vehicles. This one, since I bought it from the dealership, I have taken it to the dealership about once a year. Sometimes it's for a recall and I'll have other things done, and then sometimes it's just because they do that 360 review of your vehicle. And the past 2 times I've done that, though, when the mechanic did the video, they would tell me, oh, everything else looks great, this is good, that's good, battery's good, everything else is good. Well, and then I would either get a call, a text, or something in the mail from one of the head service mechanics saying, oh, you need this, that, and the other, when literally